quickly look at the sketching a rectangle feature. So we're going to sketch and select our plane. Let's go for the right plane this time. We can click N to go normal to, and then we can click P to get rid of our plane. So we have got our sketching area. Up here we've got the rectangle tool. So the corner rectangle, center rectangle, or aligned rectangle. Let's start with the corner one. I'm going to click on that tool. I'm going to click once, drag it, or drag my mouse without, so I've let go of the mouse entirely. I can drag it around, click again, and I have my rectangle. Now you can see this box is selected, which means I can just automatically type in a dimension. So let's go for 50, press enter. It automatically selects the other one, 50, press enter. We have our sketch. I'm still in this kind of auto dimension / rectangle tool, so I press escape to come out of that, and I can now drag my dimensions around. This is all blue at the moment, which is not good. We want it to be black, so it's constrained. So I might want to click on this point, click on this point, and I might want to say make this coincident, so it's going to be touching point to point. That all goes black, nice and easy. My other rectangle tool is the center point rectangle, so I can click on that, R for short. I'm going to click once, let go of the mouse. I can drag it around as I so wish. Click again, it auto selects the box, so let's go 40 by 40 this time. As you can see, that's all good. Now potentially I want to also make this constrained, so I click these two here. Maybe this time I can go for a midpoint. Okay, so that has taken the midpoint of this rectangle line and it's joined it to our origin exactly halfway. So we now have those two. And the final one I want to show you is the aligned rectangle. Click on that. So I can click once, I can click again, and it gives me this line. Okay, I've clicked, so I can now drag out, and I have that rectangle at an angle. So I could go, say, 60 by 60 for this one. Now, this is a completely random angle at the moment. It is not constrained at all. So perhaps what we want to do is give this some form of angle. So I could say, get my dimension tool, D, and I could say this angle from here to here is going to be 50 degrees. And now that is at an angle. So it's going to be able to move, but only along at that angle, because this is also, I believe, horizontal. If I take away that constraint by deleting it, it's going to move at 50 degrees, but anywhere around the piece of paper, I suppose you would call it. So if I go back, I can make this and this point horizontal as it was. Oops, sorry, that needs to be, there we go, that's going to give it horizontal there. So now it can only move along. And the last thing I need to do, it can go side to side. So perhaps I want to make this point and this, actually no, let's make this point and this point coincident, like so. And then I've got a whole bunch of random shapes there. So that is the sketching rectangle tool, hopefully nice and easy. Click the green tick and we're done.